सजन रे पास तो आना, ना कभी मुझे छोड़ के जाना, ओ मेरे तू आशिक रहना, आशिक रहना। ओ सजन रे पास तो आना, ना कभी मुझे छोड़ के जाना, ओ मेरे तू आशिक रहना। ओ
There wasn't a specific moment. It was just over time, I think. We'd just been together for so long. I think we both realized that, we make each other very happy. We're a good couple. We'll take care of each other for the rest of our lives.
तू मेरा रोज, come a little close. तू मेरा रोज, come a little close.
Like just genuinely, it felt like one family.
Yeah.
So welcome. Oh my god.
I think the highlight has been his whole family looking after us. It was such a good time.
And what a lovely family.
Yeah, what a
Like,
lovely
I don't think
family.
Rihanna could have asked for a better family, genuinely.
तेरी याद सताए रात रात, बाजे दिए कितने वादे दिए। तेरी याद सताए रात रात, तेरी याद सताए रात रात। How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा धा धा। How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा।
The thing that I remember about him, that he's always been the fussiest person I have seen, I think, after my dad. The fussiest person. His clothes, before he left, and he left like 10 years ago, I was not allowed to open his cupboard and hang his clothes in the cupboard. He used to say, leave them out, I will hang them myself. So his shirts used to be all hung, starting from black to grey to light grey to even lighter grey to dark blue, light blue, and then cream and white, like like a gradation of color.
How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा धा धा। How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा। How could you leave दिन तेरे किड धा धा धा। How could you leave दिन तेरे बिना ना। तू मेरा रोज, come a little close. तू मेरा रोज, come a little close.
Well, we're feeling exceedingly happy. Rihanna was born in New Delhi on a cold, wet, rainy February day, 6th February 1992. And it's just wonderful that today she's getting married also in Delhi, not too far away from her birthday. And to a wonderful, wonderful boy who comes from an equally wonderful family, whom we've met just for the first time, and we're already in love with them.
I'll be in a better attire. I'll be wearing a suit, and he'll be wearing a suit, and she'll be wearing a sari. He'll be wearing a sari. So we'll be all decent before we start drinking. Please take pictures before we start drinking for pre and post.
So Rihanna's cousin said, I'm sorry fam, I'm fully Punjabi now. He texted it to his whole family and us.
ओ मेरे रांझे बता दे मेरी गड़बड़ी, कर ले मुखबरी ना कर जोरा जोरी। ऐसी प्रीत मेरी है निगोड़ी चुलबुली, करे जो झकझोरी क्यों ना। सूरज की किरण आने दे मेरे नींद, अब चल जाने दे जो भी बीत। ओ जग ताने पे ताने दे उनकी सुने ना। देखो सावन आए रे मन हंसाए मितवा, और सारी उम्र ना गवा दे मितवा। क्यों सोचे बादल खरे हैं जबकि वो तो रुके।
Last night Akanksha told me,
but you know what? I'll just stop drinking.
मेरे रांझना बता देना, बता देना।
बहुत अबे ये क्या होता है?
सूरज की किरणें आने दे मेरे मीत, अब चल जाने दे जो भी बीत, ओ जगह ताने दे उनकी सुने ना.
I used to be Parsi, today I'm Punjabi, but now I feel it, yaar, I'm Punjabi. I've seen them together. Really, they're all like, between them, no, they have no pretense, no acting. They say exactly what they want. They argue together. They're so cute because they're true to each other.
Less than a year ago, I was talking to Rihanna on the phone and I was like, when are you getting married as a joke? And here I am a year later, having a great time. And having Ugal. And she's having the wedding that I always wanted her to have. And it's fantastic. I couldn't have asked for more. I've heard about Rishabh for about the last 4 years now. And I know that Rishabh makes Rihanna very, very happy. And that's honestly all that I need to know. I know that he's caring and he loves her and that they're a great relationship. I've heard it from multiple people. So I'm very happy to have Rishabh in the family. I mean, and more than that, Rishabh's family is also amazing, yeah? Oh, wait. What's that? It's just now, we've literally doubled the size of our family. What more can you ask? Yeah.
So it was crazy to plan everything because Rishabh is so particular about things. He's even so particular about the exact color. I remember I was showing the decorator the color theme of the event, and I showed him this is the pink and this is the teal color that we want, and just immediately came and he said, this is not the pink I want.
थोड़ी हंसी पर फिर तू मुझको यूं मिल ही गया, अब लग रहा है कुछ नया सा, जो तू यहाँ तो आसमां भी है झुका सा, अब तुझ में ही यूं थम गई है मेरी ये जिंदगी, तुझसे मिले तो लग रहा है कि मंजिल मिल गई. तेरा हो गया मेरा जहां भी, तू जो पास है तो कुछ गम नहीं. तेरा हो गया मेरा जहां भी, तू जो पास है तो कुछ गम नहीं.
So I had to make a 3-day trip to India in November to get all this marriage stuff sorted out. And honestly, that was such a great trip because Kabir, Sati, the parents, Rishabh, all of them, like we were doing everything together. They all took off work for me. We went lehenga shopping together. We went shoe shopping together. Everything was about me.
वैसे तो स्लो चलाई हो कि मैं साथ में वॉक कर रहा हूँ, सो तेज नहीं चलनी ना हमने.
तो डीजे
का जो फ्लोर है उसके बगल में स्टेज है, सो यू हैव टू टेक इट अप टू द स्टेज एंड देन वी रिमूव द बाइक. क्या है वो ग्रीन और पिंक चल रहा है. What you can do is you can just find the right spot and park the bike there, so that in the evening we can just take it out.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
क्यों घूमते घूमते फेरों में ना जिया जाए, घूमते घूमते ना जिया जाए, घूमते घूमते फेरों में ना जिया जाए. कुछ तो झोल है दरिया पास पर न प्यास मैं सोचा डूब जाऊं कई बार यार पर घूमते घूमते हाय रे ना जिया जाए ना जिया जाए घूमते घूमते हाय रे ना जिया जाए
Beautiful. I don't like all this attention. It's a little weird. Shut down.
I'm happy. I'm also a little sad that things are coming to an end. But I'm trying not to think about it. Trying not to think about it. Live in the moment. But very, very happy. This was beyond my expectations. Everything that happened in Bombay and in Delhi. It's been so much fun. So it's been amazing.
She's very special. But I would just tell Rishabh, just not let her go.
We love her. She's lovely. She's awesome. We love her. There she is. Rihanna. Come in. We are talking about you.
So, Rihanna, it's a crazy family you've got into. A very, very big family. And yes, a lot of love you're going to get from, I think, each one of us. You can see that. I'm sure you would have felt that, starting from probably the youngest, who's Shiv, to the eldest being the grandparents. I think a very independent boy. And it's really amazing to see him grow up so beautifully. And I think, Rihanna, you're very lucky.
When I saw him and Rihanna coming down the motorbike and the way he smiled, your mind.
Arey, when Rihanna was in the sidecar on the Royal Enfield and she got up and she owned that stage. Oh my God. Oof. She commanded that entire crowd. Every single eyeball was on her. And in that moment, she was bigger than any film star that will ever exist.
I was like, this is D-Day. gotta make people drunk. This is the last event.
Well, I think she's done well. She's chosen a very lovely boy. We are very pleased with the family. We feel we are kind of on the same wavelength.
अरे एक मिनट अगर decent picture आ रही है तो मेरी सारी हिंदी खराब हो गई यार. What is this?
Ryu is actually, without exaggeration, my favorite sibling.
What a guy, man.
No, because when we were children, Alicia. 1 second, let's all do. Alicia. My baby sister got married.
Everyone actually.
I'm genuinely really happy just to welcome Rishabh and his family.
The families got to meet, no? The siblings got to meet. Everyone got to meet. That is
meeting for the first time in Bombay.
They're in
Bombay
Delhi.
function.
They're in Delhi.
I know, but I'm saying the first time we all
we met in
family.
We met in Bombay. We connected in Delhi.
Yes.
They're on their way. Come! They're on their way. Come soon!
Come man, I'm already drunk.
Kabir is my newest brother. Everything I wanted in a brother, I found in Kabir.
Everything we wanted in a brother, we found in Kabir.
Everything Rihanna wanted in a brother, we found in Kabir. Such hai Kabir, हमारा दोस्त, best friend, bhai. Cheers. Like he's welcomed us in the most amazing way.
Yes, it's true.
To Rishabh, to the Mehras, चलो पीते हैं.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I love you, baby. I love you, man. I love you. We all love you. Well done. Well done. We all love you.
We are very happy. Kabir will take care of
These two brothers will get something in return.
I know.
A gili kissi.
अरे भाई दे दो. कोविड प्रोटोकॉल. अरे क्या बात है यार.
कभी गीली किसी मत करो. बॉम्बे में गीली किसी कर रहा था तू.
तुमसे परमिशन पूछना चाहता हूँ. मैं ड्रिंक पीते पीते कैमरा को गीली किसी कर सकता हूँ?
नहीं.
When we got to know about Rihanna and Rishabh together and they are about to get, I personally, I was sitting at home, Corona times,
extremely happy. Happy. Extremely happy. Only emotion was extremely happy. And whatever Sadhvi will say right now, it's my only answer. Ditto. इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. 2 मिनट. मैं जाऊँ, मेरा भाई बुला रहा है. ऋषभ, my buddy, my छोटा बच्चा, getting married or got married today.
No, मतलब I think I can't believe it that much, but obviously.
Okay.
I can now understand, and it's a little overwhelming, but it's very exciting.
Okay.
I'm very happy.
I would like just to say one word. Ditto. Ditto.
But मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. मत बोल please.
Sadhvi is just like Rihanna. Rishabh is just like me.
I'm so happy to
But
have.
we're extremely happy.
No, I'm so happy to have Rihanna in my family because finally I have someone I can relate to. Because I remember once I was talking to Rish on the phone and I was telling him that Kabir is mad because he wanted the curtains in a certain way and Rish. Yeah, but I'm so happy to have Rihanna. And Rihanna is like me. तो भाई मेरा इंटरव्यू तो ले ले. मेरी बाइट ही नहीं आएगी.
What? ले. You have to be sophisticated. Answer. When you got, I'll answer again. When you got to know about Rishabh and Rihanna, you knew about them from couple of years.
Yeah.
But they were like dating that time. When Rishabh told you that he is finally wanting to now settle Rihanna, and Rihanna said the same thing to you, how did you feel? Answer that question.
So basically, I knew about Rishabh and Rihanna. I think since maybe 4-5 years ago, when Rishabh told me about Rihanna. And then they started living together and everything. So, of course, if they're happy, we're happy.
Extremely happy. Extremely happy.
So as soon as I found out, and when Rishabh said, and when we were discussing about the wedding and everything, we were very happy. We were so excited to finally celebrate. But of course, Corona time, so there was a lot of ifs and buts, what to do, what not to do. But I think we've had a blast.
Blast. Omicron, Mitron, Unicorn.
Let's say we've had a blast together. 1, 2, 3, go.
We had a blast together.
And let's say hashtag Rish got bills. 1, 2, 3, go. Hashtag
Rish
Rish. Hashtag 1, 2, 3, go.
Rish got bill.
Hashtag. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hashtag Rish got bills. To sum it up, we're extremely happy.
I know.
Okay, we got it. Okay.
नाड़ा पैंट बड़ी थी. नाड़ा है ही नहीं यार. मतलब है नहीं. ये वेस्ट करा बड़ा इशू है. No change for us. Already living together. Oh my God! The only change maybe Kabir. The only change maybe
That the parents and the family is involved. No.
is that maybe get a dog eventually
Maybe
at
get
some
a
point.
dog.
What is that one memory of Rishabh from childhood which you can not forget? और कभी families मिलती हैं तो ये किस्सा बताया जाता है. That one mischievous memory from the childhood.
Mischievous? I don't think he was ever mischievous, but one thing was he never cried loudly with the sound. He would cry. आंसू आते थे.
I would just tell them to take life as it comes. Don't think too much. Don't over analyze the future. It doesn't help. Do your best for whatever you want and aim for your goals, whatever they may be. Screw the world. It's your life. It doesn't matter.
परमात्मा करे बड़ा सुख उठाए, नाम ऊंचा करें, दुनिया की हर खुशी इनको मिले, हर खुशी मिले इनको.
Anna, Rishabh, just keep being yourselves, keep having fun. Don't lose your childlike wonder from what I've heard.
Ryu, Rishabh, I cannot tell you how much I love you. Genuinely. You'll have to visit us more. And yeah, just y'all are the best. Like, what a lovely couple. We love you all so much.
So glad you
We're going to surprise you all more.
So happy to marry you. I love you so much, and I'm so excited for us to continue our journey together. I know we're going to make amazing memories throughout the future. I'm so excited that I get to spend my life with you, and I'll promise to always keep you as happy as you keep me.